Jerla.
Hi guys, now I'm inside the Ford Everest Titanium. I'm gonna show you some features of the Ford Everest. So I'm in the driver's seat. This is the dashboard guys, where you can select your source of music either from your local FM station, your phone via Bluetooth, or you can insert your USB with some music. This is the USB port. We have here two USB port in front, and also in the back we have also two. So this is the instrumentation panel, where you can find the odometer, speedometer, tachometer, and the level of your diesel. If your level is low, an alarm will appear in this instrumentation panel. Here, the dashboard, you can also control the climate, which means you can increase your temperature, your car aircon, or lower. It means, sorry guys, you can also use the GPS for your navigation, and we have also mobile apps. If you have devices, you can sync with this dashboard. And this, you can also adjust your temperature here guys. This sign, you press this to make the temperature colder, and this one to make hot, and this one is for the air circulation. So basically this is Interior driver side of an SUV for the Everest in titanium 4x2 automatic transmission. So this is the gear lever or the transmission gear. You cannot transfer this one, you cannot shift this one if you do not step on the brake. So step on the brake first. You can from park to run, from park to rear, and if you select rear, the rear camera will automatically shown. So that's the rear camera, guys. Then neutral, the neutral, just the N, and D for the drive. And if there's a nearby obstruction, the sensor will activate an alarm for you to be warned. So that's it, guys, and this is the handbrake. So that's it. Okay, then this is steering wheel. You can also find here in this instrumentation panel whether you are in park, rear, neutral, drive, and this is or sportage. I will explain to you later, guys, what is this is means or when to use this. So we have this, the park. When you park your car, rear, neutral, drive, and this one I will use this during an uphill and the road is bumpy or muddy road, uphill and downhill. I will use this S. And anyway, guys, I turn off the engine. If you turn off the engine, you can pull out the key. So to start, just insert, then turn clockwise, then it will start. If you forgot, if you're in already parking or already parked the car, if you forgot the transmission gear or lever, gear stick, you forgot to put into park, then you cannot pull out the key. When you turn it off, the engine, you turn off the engine, you cannot pull out the key, guys. It's one of its safety features. Maybe you wonder, oh, you cannot pull out this one. So the error is that you forgot the gear stick to put into park. So to rectify the situation, turn on the engine. There is also alarm, guys. Transmission not in park. So you put, to rectify the situation, put the gear stick into park. Then you can pull off the key. That's one of the safety features of the Ford Everest. So to recap, you cannot transfer the gear stick if you do not step down the brake. So this is the brake, guys, the brake, and this is the accelerator or the gas pedal. So press down or step down the brake to change the gear stick to drive neutral or drive S, neutral, rear, park. So again, this is the foot brake, gas pedal, or the accelerator. Okay guys, so another feature of this Everest is that it has a sky roof, guys. You can open this by pressing this one. You can also open the glass. Ay, sorry guys. Open the this is the sky roof. You can watch the sky while driving. So to close, just press again this one. So that's it, guys. And lights, the mirror, guys. There's also a side light for you, for your wife, makeup, or you want to retouch hair makeup. So okay guys, thanks, and maybe next day we will gonna discuss, or I will teach you how to drive an automatic SUV. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.